Now we shall see, once you are opening your own business, that will be a repairing shop, that will be a assembling unit, that will be a service center related to some MNC. How how you are going to handle repairable jobs, that we will see one by one. Once some equipment or some appliance it comes to you for repairing, how you will handle it. Proper receipt, handling and dispatch delivery details should be given. That will be easy for you. Attending the customer, once you are attending the customer in a better way, the customer will be satisfied in a better way. Third thing, putting tags on repairable items. So it should not happen once customer comes back to you to get his appliances back after repairing. So you should be able to choose it. You should be able to procure it very easily. So that will be possible only if you are putting a tags on that repaired items. After that, if you are able to diagnose the problem in that appliance, in that equipment easily, that will be better. If any spare is required for that particular item, that for that particular appliances, the genuine spare should be used. Other thing is time bound delivery. So to make the customer more satisfied, time bound delivery is most important, gentlemen. Once you have given a time to the consumer that this particular equipment will be repaired and will be available at a particular time, so it should be a time bound delivery. SMS or other information facilities, gentlemen, nowadays everything is almost digital. You can provide a good facility to the customer in the form of SMS. So once a customer gets the SMS, yes, my item is ready, my item is repaired, so he will feel satisfied. He will have a better choice in your this thing. So this information can be provided to the consumer in the form of SMS. And the last thing is warranty assurance. If you are repairing that particular appliances or that particular machine in a better way, then you can very well give assurance to the customer. So once assurance is given, a warranty is given, the customer will feel more satisfied. He will tell to many people, and they will also come to your shop. They will also come to your repairing center. So this is a sort of advertisement in the self. So gentlemen, warranty and assurance, that is most important. You must give it to your customers to make them more satisfied. Now we shall discuss what are the tools and machinery you need once you are going to open your own small business. Let it be a repairing center, let it be a service center, let it be a small assembling unit, let it be a small manufacturing unit. So now let us discuss one by one. As a as an electrician opening an electrical shop, we need certain type of tools. They are first is insulated combination plier. Second thing is insulated side cutting pliers. We have different type of nose pliers. We have different type of screwdrivers. We need to have different type of hammers. Apart from that, we need different type of files, that can be flat file, basket file, triangular file, round files. We need different type of chisels. We need electric drilling machine. We need wire stepper and crimping tools. We need hexa or wood saw. We need different size of and different type of vices, such as bench vise, pipe vise, hand vise. We need rod tool holder and bit, that's to make the holes in the bricks. Another is broad roll or poker. Then apart from that, we need a magger or an earth test. Magger is utilized to find out the insulation values in the machines, in the electrical machines. So apart from that, we need an earth tester to make sure that earthing of the machines is perfect. So earth test is also important. Then we need conduit pipe cutting and threading machines, soldering iron for making the joints, blow lamp. Blow lamp is also, gentlemen, very important. Different type of measuring instruments such as voltmeters, ampere meters, ohm meters, that is multimeter, then watt meter, energy meter, frequency meter, then clamp on meter, that is also very important. Then after that we need tachometer or lux meter. Tachometer is used to find out the speed of the motors, that is the rotating speeds, RPM rather we can say, rotation per minute. And lux meter is utilized to find out the light, how much light is available in the room. Apart from that, if we are going to open a small battery making unit, you need hydrometer, battery charger, battery capacity testers, other appliances to make or prepare the electrolyte. Then different type of winding machines and growlers if you are going to open a business in which you are going to do the winding for the alternators, for the motors or transformers, so you need winding machines. So these are the things, gentlemen. Before opening a service center, you need certain type of tools which are available in the market. You can procure them from Bhagirath Palace, New Delhi. You can procure them from Electrical Market, Ludhiana, or you can ask for such tools on internet also. So they are available in the different sizes, in the different qualities, but you must go for a good quality tools. Now we shall see what are the safety aspects and precautions one should take. Gentlemen, electricity is a good servant, but it is a bad master. As we have already discussed, it is a clean source of energy, can easily be controlled, can easily be produced, can easily be transmitted, can easily be distributed, and can easily be used in every part of life. It is useful. Almost all the appliances, all the gadgets, all the machines related to our use, I think they are working with only electricity. It's like a soul in human body. So, but if we use it with certain precautions, then it can be very useful for us. But if you do not take precautions while using electricity or while using electrical energy, it can be dangerous even for your life also. So safety aspects are very important. So you must understand, you must take such precautions to avoid any accident. Proper precautions while handling electrical machines and especially while working on live wires, they are too important. So once we are working on live wires, gentlemen, make sure that the tools that you are using while working on live wires, they should be of good quality. They should be good. They should have a good insulation so that you should not get any type of electric shock while working on live wires. Once you are working in your workshop, in that case also you have to take lot many precautions. You must understand, if we use electricity with such precautions, it can work for you like a solvent, as I have already told. So precautions are very much important. You must take. So if you are working on some pole, on some HT lines, again you have to take some special precautions. First of all, your line should be switched off. But in case it is not possible to switch off the line, then lot many precautions should be taken. Never do the things alone. There must be some partners, some assistants with you. The instruments, the tools which you are using, they should be of very good quality, and you must use hand gloves to avoid any sort of leakage or any sort of uh, shock, electric shock. The ladder on which you are standing, it must be held by some other person. You must use a belt, that is a babbing belt available in the market. So while working on a pole, while working on HT lines, you must use webbing belt, so as you should be safe enough to work on that. Now we shall see how can you identify raw material. How can you procure it from the market? Proper raw material should be identified after doing market survey. Market survey is very important. In this regard, you have to go and find out the availability of the raw material. Only good quality raw material should be procured. And if you purchase it in the bulk, so the overall cost of the raw material will definitely be less. At the same time, once you are purchasing it in the bulk, you will be able to get the transportation charges minimized. So gentlemen, first, as per the requirement, go to the market. In the different markets, different type of raw materials are available. Regarding such markets, we shall discuss little bit afterwards. So do the market survey, then choose a good quality of raw material, try to purchase it in the bulk, and from both the sides, from the purchasing point of view and the transportation point of view, your total expenditure will be less. And the same time, we can say a mantra in this one: less the expenditure, more the profit. So expenditure especially you can reduce in the form of a good quality and low priced raw material. So gentlemen, this particular thing is very important. Once you are going to procure, once you are going to purchase a raw material from the market, try to find out a good quality raw material. That is only possible after doing a market survey. Try to purchase in the bulk, and so transportation also will be cheaper in that case. Now, what are the markets available? That is for raw material. Gentlemen, a good market in North India, that is Bhagirath Palace, New Delhi. Almost all the accessories, practical accessories, almost all the gadgets, almost all the appliances, almost all the tools, anything related to the electrical source of energy, anything related to the electrical appliances, that is available in the Bhagirath Palace, New Delhi, and rates are also quite less. They are quite cheap if you purchase them in the bulk. So that is a good market so far as a raw material market is concerned in the North India. And if you are not going to purchase in the bulk, you can have it, you can procure it from electrical market Ludhiana. There is a good market for the table fans and ceiling fans available in the Amritsar, Punjab. Ambala is good for mixer cum grinder or FHP motors, that is fractional horsepower motors. So they can be procured from Ambala, Haryana. Bathinda is good for cooler kits, and if you want to procure SCW wire for the winding purpose, that is super enamel wires, that is winding wire rather we can say. So such wires are available in Bathinda, Ludhiana, New Delhi. But if you want to procure fans, that is ceiling fans, table fans, they are available in Amritsar. So different things are available in the different markets. So after doing the survey, you can procure them at low rates. You can have a better profit in certain things. Now we shall see requirement of space and layout. So once you are going to open a small service center, you need at least 500 square feet area. If you are going to open a small assembling unit, you need at least 1000 square feet area. And if you are going to open a small manufacturing unit, you need at least 2000 square feet area. So as per your requirement, you can go for the space, and layout is, so far as the layout is concerned, that we have to see it should be customer's experience point of view.